Okay, it is springtime and it is allergy season, and one of the most neglected filters is the cabin air filter. That filter actually filters out a lot of the dirt, dust, debris, and pollen from the atmosphere before it enters the cab of the vehicle. We're going to show you how to change it. It's a pretty simple step on this vehicle. It's actually located here behind the glove box. There's an access door here, which gives us access to the filter. We pull it out and you can see all the debris that is accumulated in the old filter. This is actually the new filter. You can obviously see the difference. And we're now going to replace it. And there you go.